Alright you guys, you want a nice little water feature for your house? Get one of these little upsy daisies from Amazon. I put a link in the description. Now if you can, get yourself a little bowl or something, something with a similar diameter, but in reality you don't need nothing with a big diameter. If you can, find yourself a bucket too, but this bucket is too tall to do my application I'm trying to do. You see it comes like an inch above the top of this pot right here, so I can't use this bucket this time. So I will use this little we got this from, like, you know those lids that be on the fruit salads in Sam's Club and Costco? Yeah, that's one of these. We always save them, and it's a good thing that we save them because now I can use them and it fits in perfectly. I'm gonna fill this up with some water. I can't get the lid onto the top here, right? So you gotta take the head of the nozzle off, put it inside of your little saucer pan. I also got this saucer pan from Amazon. Everything will be on that from Amazon. So right now I'm going to put it in, and it's okay to pinch the solar wire a little bit. Now it depends on where you want your solar wire. If you want your solar wire to be behind the pot so nobody can see it, then you can put it right there behind the pot. And now just squeeze the sides here. Now the pot is the only thing I didn't get from Amazon, you guys. So the pot I got from Walmart. If I still can find it, I will try to put a link in it for y'all. Put this solar panel in the sun. This is very interesting, you guys, how I got this. So I had to compromise this to show y'all this video, but I actually have it on my little rail right here. Luckily it has this little arch right there, and it fits perfectly. Just so I can show y'all the fountain. This thing do need 100% sun, you guys. So it's an AISITIN fountain. I will put a link in the description, but it is very powerful once it is working. If the sun is hitting this thing, it works very well. Alright you guys, I am not going to put too many rocks. I'm going to put one to cover that hole I got right there so the water could drain back in the bottom. Put a couple of rocks in. That way the birds will still have like a little area to come in here and do their thing. If I want to, I can actually fill a lot of this up with rocks if I want to. I might do that, don't know yet, but I'll figure it out in the morning. But I'm just giving y'all some good fountain ideas, and yeah, that's it. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.